Hi everyone, it's Femilani here, and in this video, I'll be showing you how you can earn USDT on the Bybit app. Now, as you can see on the screen, it says deposit, trade, refer, and earn a share of 30,000 USDT. Now, what this means is that for this campaign, Bybit is giving out 30,000 USDT to different Bybit users once you can deposit money on the app, trade on the app, refer on the app. These are just the 3 things you just need to do to earn USDT on Bybit. You just need to deposit, trade, and refer to get this. And I'll be explaining everything you need to know so that you can get part of this 30,000 USDT for yourself. So please watch this video to the end so that you don't miss any important information. And please kindly like this video and subscribe to the YouTube channel. We are trying to hit 200,000 subscribers very soon. Thank you. Now, as you can see on the screen right here, if you scroll down, you will see where it says win from a 30,000 USDT prize pool, trade USDT pairs, climb the ranks, and claim your share. Now, let me scroll down and let me explain more. Now, you can see right here, it also says deposit and earn. Deposit and stake 100 USDT or more for at least 7 days to get 10 USDT airdrop. And then you can see it says this is available exclusively to new users. So for this part where you have to deposit USDT on Bybit to be able to earn part of the 30,000 USDT, this one is exclusively to new users. So if you're a new user on Bybit, make sure you use the first link in the description of this video to create an account on Bybit so that you can be able to qualify for this free USDT. Now on this side right here, if you scroll to the left, you see another one that says refer to earn. Now this means using your unique Bybit referral link, refer new users to sign up and deposit at least 100 USDT. New users must hold this 100 USDT on Bybit for at least 7 days. Now both you and the new user will each receive a 10 USDT airdrop. Now, what this means is that this one is open to both old users and new users on the Bybit app. So whether you have been using Bybit for a long time or maybe you are new to Bybit, you can do this. Now, what this means is that just go to your Bybit account and copy your unique referral link, and then you refer people to Bybit. Now, once you refer people to Bybit and they create an account, they must deposit at least $100 into their account, and they must hold it in that account for at least 7 days. Now, once they hold it for at least 7 days and this campaign is over, both you and the new user will receive a 10 USDT airdrop each. I hope you understand. Now that's another one. Another one is where you can trade to earn. Now this means that you need to trade actively on Bybit and you earn rewards based on your trading volume. Now rewards are offered on a first come first served basis until the prize pool of 20,000 USDT is fully distributed. Now what this means is that whether you are an old user on Bybit or maybe a new user on Bybit, what you just need to do is to trade actively on Bybit. You can be spot trading, futures trading, whichever one. And also the higher your trading volume, the more the USDT you'll be receiving for free. I hope you understand. And for this one, the reward is on a first come first served basis. So it means that once you watch this video and you register for this campaign, because I'll be showing you how to register for the campaign too. So once you watch this video and you register for the campaign, just go ahead and refer people to Bybit or go ahead and start trading actively on Bybit. Now, the next thing you can see right here is how to participate. Now, you can see right here, the first thing says register for the event. Like I said, I'll show you how to do that. Number 2 says complete 1 or more tasks to get rewards. That means you must complete at least 1 task right here. And number 3 says all participants must be from Africa. So you can see this right here is for people in Africa. That is, you're a Bybit user, or maybe you are planning to be a new Bybit user and you are from Africa or you are in Africa, then you can participate in this. And then if you scroll down, you see where it says get rewards for completing tasks. Now, these are the different tasks that you can complete to get part of this USDT for yourself. Now, the first task right here says total deposit greater or equal to 100 USDT. So like I said before, if you deposit at least 100 USDT in your new account, this one is for new users, please take note. If you deposit at least $100 into your account, you get 10 USDT. That's the first task. Now, the second task right here says invite qualified referees. Now, this means that whether you're an old user or a new user, just invite people to Bybit and you'll be getting 10 USDT right there. And then if you scroll up again, you see another task. The third task says that trade greater than or equal to 10,000 USDT and you'll be getting 5 USDT. Now, for this one right here, it doesn't mean that you must maybe trade with 10,000 USDT of your own money. No, if you are doing futures trading and you're using leverage, don't forget, if you know how to use leverage, that means that you can even get to this 10,000 USDT with just, let's say, $500 or with just $100, $200, of your own money in as much as you are using leverage. And in case you don't know how to use leverage, so let's say for example you are entering a trade with let's say $100 of your own money, and then you use maybe a leverage of let's say 20x leverage. Now it means that the total trading volume you are using for that trade is $100 of your own money multiplied by the leverage. So that's $100 times 20, and that's $2,000. So from that trade of $100 of your own money, you've gotten $2,000 trading volume. And if you do that like 5 times, you've gotten $10,000 trading volume. So if you can get $10,000 trading volume, you will get 5 USDT. And then the next one says trade greater than or equal to 100,000 USDT. So you can do that for 100,000 USDT, you get 30 USDT. And then the next task is to trade at least 1 million USDT trading volume. And then for that, you'll be getting 100 USDT. So basically, these are the different tasks that you can do to get your reward. And this campaign is just for Bybit to give out USDT to their new users and to their old users. I hope you understand. But before you go ahead and register for this event, please, there are some terms and conditions you need to take note of. So let me show you those terms and conditions. Now you can see the number 1 says that this event is only open to users from Africa region. So it means that you must be from Africa. Number 2 says users must register for this event via the register now button on this page to be eligible for rewards. I'll be showing you how to do that right now. Now number 3 says users must complete identity verification level 1 to be eligible for reward. So this means that you must have completed the ID verification on your Bybit account before you can claim this reward. Now, number 4 says eligible winners will receive their rewards no later than 14 days after the event ends. Now, after the end of this event, or maybe once this event is over, you'll be able to get your reward after 14 days. So it means that after this event is over, just wait for 2 weeks or 14 days and you will see your reward in your rewards hub. Now, number 5 says rewards are limited and will be distributed on a first come first serve basis. If all rewards are distributed before the event ends, Bybit reserves the right to conclude the event early. So this means that once the 30,000 USDT is fully distributed, it means that the event is over. And for number 6, it says all participating users must strictly adhere to Bybit India's terms of service. Bybit India reserves the right to disqualify any participant who engage in dishonest or abusive activities during the event, including bulk account registrations to farm additional bonuses. So this means that if you are trying to create multiple accounts so that you can get more rewards from this, then you will be disqualified from this. And number 7 says Bybit reserves the right to modify the terms of this event without notifying users in advance. So this means that they have the right to change the terms of this event. And number 8 says Bybit reserves the right to the final interpretation of this event. If you have any questions, please contact our customer support team. So these are the terms and conditions you need to take note of if you want to join or participate in this event. Now, to register for this event, like I said, the first thing, if you don't have a Bybit account, the first thing you need to do is to create a Bybit account using the first link in the description of this video or the first link in the pinned comment of this video. Now, once you've done that, the next thing is to click on the second link in the description of this video or the second link in the pinned comment of this video, and then to bring you to this page right here. Now, once you get to this page, come right here and click on register now, where the arrow is pointing to. And on your screen right here, you'll be asked to create an account. So this is in case you don't have an account already. Maybe you've not created your own Bybit account. So if you've not created your own Bybit account, you can still come right here and create an account. So once you come here, just enter your email address, enter your password, and where you have this referral code, just enter 41557. So once you enter that, go ahead and create your account on Bybit. But in case you have an account on Bybit already, just come here to where you have login, where that was pointing to, just click on login right there. And the only thing you just be asked to enter is just your email address and your password. So this is for people who already have their accounts already. So just enter it, log into your account, and you're registered for the event. And you can go ahead and complete any of the tasks I've shown you earlier. So that's everything you need to know about this campaign. Don't forget this campaign is ending on the 6th of June. So please make sure that you do all of these tasks before the 6th of June. So thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the YouTube channel. Like I said, we are trying to hit 200,000 subscribers very soon. And don't forget to click the link in the description to register and join this campaign. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.